Government officials have also answered the questions of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing throughout all the hearings sufficiently, consistently, and repeatedly. But now they are simply made to attend, oftentimes appearing for hours without being questioned. Doon ako na pumalag sa inyo. Klarong-klaro na sinasabotahe lang ninyo ang gobyerno natin. The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing have clearly devolved into a political circus, a witch hunt which is being used by some senators in aid of their election. The executive department always cooperate with the Senate, but this present hearing and the way that it is being conducted is just too much to bear and tolerate. We will no longer dance to their tune and rather focus on the pandemic response and the national vaccination program.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.